Hey, U.S. Congress, Merry Christmas, you filthy animals. You know our president's spending Christmas in the White House, where you should be. You should be still trying to get this goddamn wall fixed. So get your butts back into Washington where you're supposed to be doing your job. You've had 2 years since our president was elected, and you still haven't got money to build the damn wall. What a joke. What a joke. I'm putting the blame on you, Democrats and Republicans, both of you. Both of your stripes. You're all the same. You're all sitting at home right now. All our troops are down at the border trying to protect a little tiny fence called security. And now you're bitching about Trump trying to bring home 2,000 troops from Syria. What are we doing in Syria? Who gives a shit? But I do care if there's 8,000 people trying to come over here, drop babies on the ground, and draw all of our benefits that the poor people in L.A. living in tents can't get. So get off your ass, get back to Washington, get the job done. I don't care if you have to browbeat the Democrats, but get 10 votes in Senate and get this over with. Sure, some of you wanted to be president. You're not president. You never will be it the way you are because it takes work. Work. There's only one person that's not getting paid all the time, and that's Trump. He's giving away all of his money. What are you doing? You're sitting there with a giant turkey, probably smoking a cigar, probably from Cuba. So get your lazy butts back to work. You shouldn't even be. It's ridiculous. And you're going to get paid for it. That's what just makes me sick. Yeah. You're not an American. You're a leech. Get back to work. If you're senator, if you see this and you're senator, you know he's not still in Washington, then don't ever vote for him again. Do you understand me? I don't care. You could vote for a Russian.